Yeah, IDs, welcome again to Module 3, and I just wanted to just do a quick recording and show you how to get yourselves into and just do a little bit of explaining on what we're doing with the sandbox course that you're going to be using to practice with your Blackboard tool this week. And so here we are on my dashboard page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my courses. If you look over across here, you can see that I have a number of courses that I've been enrolled in, past and present. But this is the one that we're most concerned with right here. That's the sandbox that I've created. And if you go in, you'll be able to see something similar to what our course looks like. But what we want to do is we just want to go into the learning modules space. And what I've done is in place of what our modules would be, I made a folder up for each one of us so that you can just go in and practice things that you may want to try out. And that's what sandboxes are meant to do. They're meant to be places that you can test things. So if you're an ID and an instructor comes to you and is having trouble with something, what you can do is you can try to replicate the problem inside your sandbox and then see if you can kind of come up with a solution. Another practical use of it is that it's a place to practice things. Like if you want to try something out, if you want to try a new tool but you don't want to do it in a live course, you would come into your sandbox and do so. And then of course, the other one actually is the one that we're going to do later on, actually in a short time, in a couple of weeks. We're going to build out our course projects within a Blackboard sandbox, which, by the way, is not going to be the same one as this one. It's going to be broken up into the groups that are going to be doing their projects. All right, so if we just come into this particular space here, what I can do is I can just click on to Deborah's folder, all right, and you'll see a similar interface, not exactly the same as what is offered in the course that we are all involved in, but it's basically just set up in the same fashion here. And so we have a number of folders, we have a number of items, and then I just wanted to draw your attention down here that at the bottom, each one of you has a resource video that I provided for you for your particular tool, just to kind of get you started. All right. But again, so this is a place where you can just try things out and practice when you're either doing this tool thing or whether you're doing something in your final course and you don't want to do it in the actual course space. So that's that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the Q&A forum. We'll see if we can iron that out. Again, if it's something that's germane to me in particular, please let me know. Have a great week. We'll see you later.